Hey, you want to stop by Walmart real quick? Grab some protein bars?
Yeah, I guess. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ugh. I totally get sideways on this turn. Protect me. Oh, we are sliding. Look at that Rx7 grip.
We're at drift. We're at.
It's because a race car. This is a race car.
This is a broken down car.
This is not broken. It started. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Oh shit. Nigga, it's gonna start. I'm just trying to get the fuck home.
You seriously just...
Oh, I'm going fast.
Are you stuck?
Yeah. Get out and push, nigga. We're on base.
Here, take this.
Oh, no, 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 no. VTech! Now I gotta go.
Make sure there's no one in the other lane.
Yeah, I'm trying not to get shot. We're on a fucking military. Get out and push. Oh, no.
You want me to get out and push or what?
Nope. Because of VTech, nigga! VTech gets us out of ditches! Look at that shit. Like a boss!
They're all just staring at you.
I don't care.
They're like, look at that.
Haha, you wanted to give me a ticket!
He's still staring at you.